Morning, YouTube. Okay, it is Friday, almost noon. So I'm here to work on my tax return. So I know in my last video, I had mentioned quite a lot of different things, but I just want to share with you um, some information and some updates. The first update I want to give is about this coming weekend. Now, we know it's St. Patrick's Day today. Wait a minute. I'm so happy to wear, what is this, green? I didn't meant to wear this. I just threw this on. But anyways, for all those Irish drivers, happy St. Patrick's Day. Let's go with the leprechaun. No, that's corny. So anyways, after spending all night staying up till about 3:30ish in the morning, working on my website and just going online, looking at YouTube videos and everything else. Then I also came across some information this morning about Strive. Now, Strive is the company that, I guess, not just Uber, but a lot of these ride-sharing companies. Somehow I know that this company offers different products and services. Now, they offer Stride Health, which basically allows you to buy health insurance, which I did not buy because I don't know what's going to happen with Obamacare. And personally, I'm not going to buy insurance and pay $300 or whatever the case may be, and then turn around if something was to change. No one can't guarantee me does that mean I get my money back? So I'm not going to sit there and buy money, pay for something, and I don't know what is going to happen regarding what Congress is going to do, what the legislation is going to do about that. You buy insurance with Obamacare, and you spending $300 something. Do that mean that if they so happen to appeal it, which I don't know what's going to happen. I just don't know. I mean, I don't understand why offering insurance to millions of people who can't afford to get insurance on their own is such a big political strife. I don't even want to say strife, but when I was a federal employee, people would love to say, oh, you get all those benefits and things like that. But if you work for a major company that offers health insurance, is not only an important benefit to have, because without people, you don't have a company. As much as you want to replace people with machines and robots, or whatever the case may be, the health of a country or health of a nation is the backbone of survival in the economy. If people are sick, can't work, what do you have? But you know what? That's not my topic for today. My topic is filing taxes. Now, as some of you may know, I worked for the IRS for over 10 and a half years. And there are many things that I witness on the inside that people make mistakes. And it's not so much that people are worried about getting audited. Let me tell you, they already know what returns they're going to audit. There's a threshold amount. So on your Schedule A, if you have a certain dollar amount that's over a certain figure, they're going to flag it. They're going to ask for proof of information. If you have a Schedule C and you have some extravagant amounts. Now, remember I said that you have to choose between the standard mileage, which is 54 cents a mile, which they average what it would cost to deduct for your business. And if you have not kept track of your mileage, that there's a way that you could go back and figure out the mileage. Now, I'm going to share with you my Uber partner statement. Now, they finally updated mine to the correct one, because when I first looked at it, I said, wait a minute, there's a lot of things missing from that Schedule K1 from Uber. Now, I know we love to fuss about the fees and Uber taking all these fees. This is my other website I'm trying to do all these different websites at one time. So let me go ahead and show you my partner statement from Uber. Now, I'm going to pull it up, and we're going to show you from there where you will pull that information. Now, this is what I was looking for. This is the actual 1099K that a lot of things were missing. Now, from here, I didn't have no payment card. I don't know why they got that done. Merchant code, gross amount of payment, third-party credit card transactions. Now, I don't have a whole lot of things to report on my Schedule K1. But anyways, this amount, the gross amount of payments, is always going to be different from this amount. I'm going to show you. Now, see, this is just a invoice. This is what you don't, this is just a summary. So you see all these fees, well, $1.25, $6.75. This right here, the booking fee, well, this amount right here, $5,680.24. And this is the Uber service fee, $1,312.50. Okay, let me go back to my screen. All right, y'all. So you see where, come on now, where's my face? Oh, Jesus, this is so, I don't like this dumb, let me see, cameraman. All right, you see that? Those are the two for me. Now, I can't speak for everybody's, I can't speak for everyone's Schedule K1, because everyone's going to have something different. Some of y'all got the gas card, and you put all that money on that gas card to pay for your gas. If it's highlighted and bolded, then you could deduct that fee. Now, you can't deduct it twice, because if you spend gas and you choose to take the standard mileage, you have to choose. Do you want to deduct all the money you spent in gas, tires, actual expenses such as maintenance, car washes, meals, all of those things? You can't you can't do both. You got to choose one or the other. Now, Uber was not the only one that offered Strife. Strife was offered to a lot of these other ride-sharing companies because they also offered people to purchase health insurance through them. Now, I just downloaded Strife on my phone. Now, and then I also downloaded my IQ, but Strife is free. It's a free service where you could download and you can keep track of your mileage and you can keep track of your expenses at the same time. And then you could get a report at the end of the year. So I'm going to officially keep track of my, y'all can't see that. I don't know why people do that all the time. You could actually keep track of all of your expenses and you could use Strife, STRIVE. And you know, when I went on that Uber partner app and it tells you that they can also help you do your taxes. They can also help you do your taxes and you can use Strife tax service in conjunction with Credit Karma. I already used Credit Karma this year. I'm gonna use Credit Karma this year to do my tax return. So let's go ahead and pull up the Credit Karma and work on the Schedule K1. And we're gonna go from there. My refund is going way more than this when I'm finished. I just, filled in a lot of blanks. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to put in the information from that Schedule K1 partnership income. This is where you will go. I'm going to edit. Now, the partnership name is not actually Uber. The partnership name is Riser. And make sure you don't put Uber. So don't put Uber on there. Put in this information. I wish I had a dang printer. Not there. I don't want to go there. I want to go to the other one. That's the summary. I don't want to look at that. I'll look at this right here. This is the official 1099K that I was looking for. Now, Riser LLC, 1455 Market Street, Suite 400, San Francisco, California. Now I'm going to minimize the screen. I'm going to go ahead and go to, let me get out of this. What the hell is my, okay. We're going to go ahead and take that away. You know what? I'm sick of this. I'm so sick of this. All right. We're going to go ahead and put in the information that's needed. Now, from this, I'm just gonna write it down. This is stupid. Riser LLC 80,089,6455 $5,680.24. It's 1A. And we're gonna put in all that Riser LLC. This belongs to me. There was nothing from last year. We're gonna put in 80,089,64 80,089,6455. Partnership name is Riser. Riser LLC, better known as Uber. Is this a publicly traded partnership? Nope. Nope. Box 1 now. It was $5,680.24. And we're gonna keep going down, down, down. Down, down, down. I'm gonna add that damn other income I had. All right, y'all. Let me go back to the screen. All right, now you see where I put in that Schedule K1. I only have one. I didn't do Lyft. So you must do each of those K1s for each company that you get one for. You're going to get one from Lyft for sure, and you're going to get one for Uber. Now, I don't know about Postmates and DoorDash, and I didn't get anything from Grubhub that was a Schedule K1. So, because they don't take out fees, at least not in an indirect sort of way. But because Uber and Lyft pays you fees, they take out their fees. All those fees that we've been yelling and screaming about, they take out too much. Those are deductible. My fees was $2,000. What was it on there? My fees was, no, it's on the summary. Going back to the summary. And I don't know why they don't simply put that down on that form. See, that's why I don't like this trickery when it comes to Uber. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind right here. Let's go back to the summary. Ooh. 243 and $1,012.50. So let's keep those two things in mind. 243 and the service fee of $1,312.50. The mileage $35.29.23. All right, so let's look at, share my screen again. Let's edit it. All right. See, the fees are supposed to be taken out from this. What? How my refund went down from 561? Hell no. All right. This thing, gross amount of payment. See, the gross amount of payment and the fees should be different. Now, let's look at when I add these fees up from August, September, October, November, and December, it should add up to the gross, which is this amount right here. However, from the summary, I don't know where they get payment card from, but this should be not the payment card. I'm going to have to contact Uber in regards to that. But there are fees that was paid that I could account for. The $1,312.50 and $243. These amounts are fees that are deductible. And that's deductible on the tax on this return. Now, let's go ahead and look at something else here. Mm-hmm. What's this amount here for? See, I'm gonna have to edit some things here. And let's go ahead. Okay, this is it right here. Merchant card and third-party network payments. Do for it right there. See, this is where it has to be. Enter the total of box one from any 1099 case you may receive, if applicable. Mm-hmm. All right. All right. I'm going to stop here. I'm going to stop here. I'm going to stop here. I just want to show y'all some things. Now, you could go ahead and go here. Do your taxes for free, powered by Stride and Credit Karma Tax. Now, I don't know. Let me see. I'm curious to see what kind of. This is a good, valuable resource. And I don't know why Uber wants to get involved in taxes and, I don't know. I just have this. I don't know. I just got this. I'm quite sure they say they do things for free. It usually is not free. Because, see, the minute they get you, is that now you'll be solicited to death for other services. Where the hell's my password? Oh man, I can't remember the damn password. How are you supposed to get the damn password to get in this stupid thing? Man, they want your Facebook so they could badge you to death. Okay, you know what? All right. I already did Credit Karma. You know, ain't no point. All right. I ain't gonna mess with that. I'm just going to continue to use Credit Karma, which is really the same thing that they're working in conjunction with Strive. And that's a good way to um that's a good way to that would be a good way to go about preparing a return. You don't necessarily have to go to Jackson Hewitt, H&R Block, any other company, um, if you don't want. Now, one of the benefits of, I'm gonna tell you, one of the benefits of doing the return is because it's gonna help you for this year. Now, I just downloaded the mileage app for the Strive. I always had the one for my Q, but I'm gonna choose what's free. So, what this thing that keeps sending me from Instacart? I didn't miss no dang replacements. I don't know what they keep on bugging about these things. If I go to the customer, now this is an Instacart. If they don't have the item that they asked for, and I choose a substitution, and you keep coming back on, and this is with Kroger's. No, I don't want that. Well, can we get this? They don't have it. If they don't have what they have, what I'm going to sit here and try to what I'm going to sit here and try to improve on missed items or replacements. If they don't have it, they don't have it. God damn. See, that's why I'm not going to be. I ain't going to be sitting here stressing myself out regarding these shopping. I'm gonna do it like, I'm gonna try to get as many hours with Grubhub as I can. Because let me tell you, the more and more you do these grocery shopping, the more and more people get to be a little bit kind of self-centered and spoiled. You thinking, sometimes you be thinking, oh, I could just go ahead and shop. No, trust me. The more and more you do it, the less fun it becomes. I'm not putting in a whole bunch of hours with Instacart when it comes to these grocery shopping. Because you be running yourself ragged. And people get a bit, they want to shop at the middle of rush hour. You go to Publix, you know what? I don't know. I'm just gonna send them an email. Ain't no point sending emails to a lot of these companies because they don't care. As long as you out there busting your ass, making them money, and they give you little pennies, that's what they want. They don't even want to hear your opinion. But the minute you start decreasing your hours and your attention starts going on to other companies or other ride-sharing gigs, they want to be like, oh, can you log on 2 hours early? Oh, can you stay over? Can you, mm-mm. Think about refunds create. If they don't have the item, then you refund the money. I mean, what the fuck you want me to do? People think they slick. They don't want to get off their lazy fucking asses and do their own shopping. But then when you go shopping, you telling them they don't have that item. They don't have that item. They don't have that item. Let me refund your money. And then you want to come back and, what do you want me to do? Go to the fucking factory and make it make it myself? Shit. I'm sitting here going through this shit. No, I ain't looking at all this crap. You can sit up in here and give people all the three preferences, and they still gonna sit. Why don't you go ahead and educate some of these people who shop for the thing rather than sitting here. Stupid. This is so fucking dumb. All right, I'm gonna stop. I'm just, I'm supposed to start for Grub at 5, so I'm cooking dinner, lunch, or whatever. I'm gonna send them a damn email. I'm gonna send Instacart a damn email. Y'all not gonna sit up in here. I'm not taking no fucking lessons on no damn when they want a replacement and when they want. If they don't have the fucking item, they don't have the damn item. Shit. Shoot. Send them a damn screenshot about how when they don't have when the person who's shopping says they don't have your replacement and they don't have the substitution replacement and the third option, you're getting your money back. Fucking bastards. They get on your fucking nerves. And then y'all got a department that's supposed to create a catalog. Why don't you focus on getting that done? Why don't you about do worry about that? Shit. Worry about that. Stupid. Dumb.